Okay, fast update on the F350 Ford, and pretty much we installed a Flowmaster, used Flowmaster 40, and in an upcoming video I show, if you're shopping around for Flowmasters, how exactly to tell what series Flowmaster you got. And I doubt you can see it, but I try to crawl under here and get a serial number off of it and show you what the serial number is, and usually it's the last three digits. Would be 44, 2, 44, 0, sometimes 1, I think. But 44, Super 44s, it'll be 40-2 for the Super 40s and the regular 40s. You can get the serial number off of it, type it in Google, and pretty much tell exactly what Flowmaster you got. This one we put on here is a 40, and I hope you pretty much enjoy this video. It's super short, and I hope you can see the serial number that I'm about to show you at the end of this video, and hopefully it helps you figure out what Flowmasters you got. Okay, here's a pre-used Flowmaster. As you can tell, it is used, but it's still perfectly functional. And I need to move this pipe over just a smidgen, which I will do that when I add some hangers to it. That's no biggie. But what does the serial number you want? I don't know if you can make this one out. It's 430-402, which I'm pretty sure this is the Super 40, and that's how you can tell. This one is dual out, single in, and on the single out and single in, usually this number is at the back of it, but they do have a serial number on them, right here or on the other side. And I hope this pretty much helps. And until next time, I'll see you then.